Thanks for joining us tonight at 9. We begin with an update on a Fox 10 investigation into a Scottsdale pool company accused of taking money from dozens of customers without finishing the work.
A criminal investigation is launched now into this. Fox 10's Nicole Krasean joins us with the latest. Nicole.
Yeah, that's right. A week ago, we learned the Arizona Registrar of Contractors had revoked Sun State Pool's license. Now, Arizona's top prosecutor is getting involved with a criminal investigation underway. But some customers are concerned the amount of money owed will never be recouped.
I believe in the best of everybody, and I guess this got me this time.
Christy Opal, yet another Sun State Pools customer, frustrated with the unfinished work she's been left with on her Whitman, Arizona property. She says her journey with the company started back in late 2024.
I made my initial deposit in December, and they didn't get me a permit until on New Year's Eve of 25.
From there, Opal says there were large gaps in progress and communication, and she talked to an attorney, but then a worker came out to her property in the spring.
He was telling me that they were going to pull people off of other projects to come over because it had taken so long, and so I was pretty excited about it.
Instead, she says progress halted yet again, and then she was told her project manager had been fired. While at her primary home in Nebraska, Opal says she figured out a potential reason why.
The pictures came from my friend, and he said, I see why you got fired. They trenched through my septic leach line.
The Arizona Registrar of Contractors website has over 30 open complaints against Sun State Pools as of the airing of this story. And many of the homeowners we have heard from have nearly identical stories featuring something like this: a large hole in their backyard and empty promises from this company. A company now with an eviction notice tacked onto the door of its Scottsdale building. We rang the doorbell at a home listed on the LLC registration for the company, where a truck outside has the business name on it, but there was no answer. Meanwhile, the victims of Sun State Pool's Facebook group, started by customer Megan Cox, continues to grow.
It's not just homeowners, it's also vendors. I've had vendors say they owed $300,000, $150,000, $170,000, $40,000 and $50,000.
Cox says the criminal investigation launched by Attorney General Chris May's office is encouraging, but there's an overall concern from customers that the ROC didn't respond to the mounting complaints soon enough.
When I look at policy and government overhaul, that seems to be a really glaring issue, the fact that everyone that's talked to the ROC is pretty disappointed.
I understand pulling the trigger on some of that too soon is an issue also, but this, I feel like they should have investigated and done more than what they're doing.
Now, the ROC does have a recovery fund for customers, but it has a cap of $200,000 that can be recouped from a single contractor. Both the ROC and the AG's offices tell us they can't comment on active investigations, and we have not heard back from anyone with Sun State Pools. We do have links to where you can file a complaint with the ROC or the Arizona AG's office over on fox10phoenix.com. Live in studio, Nicole Krasean, Fox 10 News.